Okay, so now the first coat's on those windows. What I'm going to do is give it sort of 10-15 minutes between the coats. And again, this is all going to depend on temperature. I like to call this is a thing called gel coating. So it's 2 coats and it's finished. That's how I do it, is in 2. It depends on the colour, to be honest, it depends on the colour. If you're spraying something that's hardly got any base to it, like a white, for instance, it might take him 3, might take him 4. The worst thing you want to do is overload the first coat. So the first coat, you want it to always look a bit patchy, the second coat to be full. So it's important to go on with a dust coat first, and the reason is for that as well is because if you put the first coat on too thick and then you come back at 15-20 minutes later and put a second coat on, then the underneath layer might be still wet, so when you actually pick the window up, you can actually leave thumbprints in it. So you're better off building up layers than you are to just try and hammer it in one. So I know by how that's covered on that first coat that it's going to go in 2. If that wasn't covering very well on the first coat, then I would do another mist coat and then a full coat, depending how many times I need to do that to build it up. But I'm not going to leather my coats on too thick and then it's not going to dry between the coats properly. We don't sand between the coats, there's no need, it's called gel coating. So what you'll be doing is, as it's just setting off, so as it's tacky, you're going to hit it again. That first coat is going to grab into the second coat and it's really going to adhere together and give you an absolutely solid finish. As you can see in there, I've done everything one pass going across each section. When I do the second coat, I'm going to be doubling up on my passes. So I'm going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 around the window. At the moment I was doing 5, 1 on the front edge, 1 on the slope section, and then 1 on the top, and then 1 on the other slope, and then into my edge, the inside of the window. So I was doing 5 passes. But now I'm going to be doing 10. So I'm just doubling everything up now and making it a lot wetter. You don't want the window to be fully dry when you do this. And also you need this paint to be solvent. The reason we use solvent-based paints on UPVC is because it actually eats into the plastic and becomes part of the plastic. If you use something like a water base, it just won't work. It will peel over time. It might last a few years, but nothing is going to be as harder as a 2K product solvent. It will actually eat into the plastic, over the pores of the plastic, and actually become part of the plastic. So that is why we use solvent based on UPVC. So what we're going to do now is going to go back into the booth for our second coat.